Sorry, is that your coat?
It's okay.
I thought I could squeeze my foot in that face.
There we go.
Can you ride the dinosaur? There's a dinosaur up ahead. Look at him. What's he saying? He said hi? He said hi. This one's a stegosaurus. Oh, Mama's on one. She got a pet dinosaur to ride? Lure! 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 Where? Do you see an alligator? Let's go see that alligator. Come on. Let's go this way.
Jackson.
Little saddlesaur. Stay short.
Wow, pretty pattern.
Hello. How old are you?
I can't see you. Oh, there you are. Okay, that's enough.